The most common question, which the whole world wants to know, maybe, which is better, glass feeding bottle or a plastic feeding bottle?
See, glass is always safe, glass is always clean, and glass is always a good material, okay? But having said that, glass is heavy, they are more expensive, and they're easily breakable. So practicality with regards to glass bottles would be, quite low. But having said that again, plastic bottles, provided that they are BPA free, they are quite safe to use because plastic bottles, they are cheaper. If they are BPA free, that means they're chemical free. So this is safe for your baby. But the key thing to remember about plastic bottles is the minute you see any scratch or any discoloration or any signs of wear and tear, you need to immediately change the plastic bottles. So the recommendation is you need to replace plastic bottles ideally every 4 to 6 months. And if you talk about the bottle teat, the nipple for the feeding bottle, the nipple also ideally you need to replace every 4 to 6 months or at the sign of the first tear, or because babies, they grab onto the nipple, it can tear through. So if you see a tear, if you see a nipple discoloration, then you need to replace the nipples. So it's basically a personal choice at the end of the day, glass or a plastic bottle.